Welcome to your dream home in Ahungalla. Nestled in a serene environment, this stunning property offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful house for sale. Spanning 13.5 perches, this home is ready to welcome you. Step inside to discover a spacious living area that flows seamlessly into the dining and pantry space.
Featuring 2 cozy bedrooms, each designed for comfort, and a master bedroom equipped with air conditioning for those warm tropical nights. The house includes a well-appointed bathroom, an additional lavatory outside, and a functional kitchen to meet all your culinary needs. With fully tiled floors throughout, maintenance is a breeze. Enjoy modern living with all essential infrastructure facilities, including piped water, electricity, and a wide access road. Located in close proximity to the Galle-Colombo Main road and train station, this home offers easy access to banks and other important locations. Plus, it's near the One World Foundation College. All this in a calm, tranquil environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. This incredible property can be yours for just 110 lakhs, and the price is negotiable. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Ahungalla. Contact us today to arrange a viewing. For more information, contact 077 7734 870.